Hello, it's Joanne. Today we're making homemade French fries. As you can see, I've cut up this bowl full of French fries using these potatoes. Whether you choose to peel with a knife, I usually use a peeler because I find it's quicker. But you can use whatever you have on hand. I just peel the skin off the middle to the ends. Just like that. And this bowl, I fill it with water and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes to allow more starch to come out of the potatoes. After that, I have my place set up here, and here's a trick that you can use in the kitchen. If you put a wet cloth here and then your cutting board on top, it actually prevents it from slipping. And after drying off your wet potatoes, I just cut them into slices. Totally up to you if you want to cut it into wedges or if you would like it into thin shoestring fries. I like thin and crispy. So I'll add these to my existing bowl and continue to cut up these. I set the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've also, in the meantime, set up our baking pan. So I just use a cookie sheet. You can use a pizza pan if that's what you have at home. Again, nothing fancy needed. This is a nice long potato, so I have long French fries. If you don't like long French fries, you can cut that down as well and make shorter ones. And we're just going to be baking these fries until they're nice and crispy. This is a pretty sharp knife, so again, be careful with your hands. This is all done. Move this out of the way. So we have our fries. This is compost, so I'll put this in our compost container. And I'm adding some olive oil. Again, use whatever brand that you have. You can use avocado oil as well. We don't want to use too much. Give that a gentle toss. Make sure it's evenly coated with all the French fries. And I'm using this seasoning that we have. It's a red pepper seasoning. I'll give it a little sprinkle here. This has salt already added as well. If you just like salt on your fries, you can certainly use that. And hopefully you can see that. All the seasoning is evenly coated. And on our pan, I put parchment paper. The parchment paper actually prevents it from burning. I'm just going to spread this out evenly. Could have used a bigger pan, but this one will be fine. There we go. And we're going to put this in the oven probably for a good 20-25 minutes. And I'm just using a lifter, and I will rotate the fries and then cook it for a little bit longer according to your taste. You can just use a fork to actually make sure that the potatoes are cooked, and then you have your homemade french fries. Hope this is helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, enjoy.